Which one's your favorite? Before you go, don't forget to drop a like, and please consider giving me a sub if you like Coaster content. Also, check out the links below for my Discord server, and my second channel where I post copyright-free off-road footage, and my baseball channel if you also happen to be a baseball fan. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.
Paying attention. Jeez.
Virus in our homes.
Why are you stopped in the middle of the intersection? What was that car doing? Why did it just like swerve into the turn lane and swerve back into the main lane?
Using the right lane, make a right turn on Worthington-Galena Road.
Wow. Car went the light, so I had to wait for them to go before I could go. Why is this? I gotta get out of the way.
Imagine that these generations of Cincinnatians, in whose lives Coney Island has played so significant a role, will do their bit to make Coney's 85th season its greatest.
Make a left turn, then make a left turn.
From Coney Island to Kings Island, including all of the portable rides, the log flume, the equipment to land upon, creating an economic boom for hotels, restaurants, and other shops. There were as many as 1,500 people working at the park during the summer, tallying a payroll of $4.25 million. Their first season of 1972 was everything everyone thought it could be, and more. It was time to expand. During the off-season, the Kings Island Inn...
What is going on? It's 9 p.m.
Using the left lane, keep left toward Interstate 270 East, then keep right onto Outer Belt West.
Yeah, I think I'm going to... Gosh, damn it.
Keep right onto Outer Belt West.
It's a small gas station. Where are you going? house over here.
Hey, why don't you
Oh, jeez, it came out of nowhere.
pay more attention, dude?
Oh, man. What a mercy. All this just to get gas. Let's take a view over here. Am I seeing this today? Oh! Good job, man.
Stay there for, for the night, and let me tell me what happens. if you survive. Okay, say nothing. Troy's hanging out. Back to the countdown. Let's go. This is song number.
So this was wasn't reset, so I did that. Mini fridge in the freezer compartment. A little icy in there. So
One he told at 6 years old, you're gonna be.
who's honking?
He said.
This one here? That seems far away. That's too far. Oh, I see it. That white coat is running the red light, I'm pretty sure.
This launched an investigation into the park's alcohol service practice, but they couldn't prove any laws regarding over-serving a person were broken. Her condition was ruled a factor in her death, but in the end, the accident was blamed on a design flaw in the restraints. Riders were able to move horizontally and out of the restraints, a problem made worse without a second person in the capsule. Flight commander was partially dismissed. Unveiled the plans for their biggest project ever. At the cost of $22 million, Diamondback would be a B&M hypercoaster, standing 230 feet tall, exceeding 80 miles per hour and 1 mile of track. With 10 hills, 6 of them being over 100 feet. This was built purely for airtime, but it would have one bonus feature, a splash pad.
He brought up the journey as related.
Hadn't been able to alternate much.
Bop. Bop. There we go. Not gonna ruin the light.
You really don't.
Tonight, your body clock is 3 time zones ahead, so you're up early. Hey, at least you get first crack at fresh waffles.
Picked up on the rank.
They're hoping that seems vital to protect workers and their rights, which is the exact function of airline unions. Unfortunately, unions contribute to much of the bad service we experience when flying in the US. The problem obviously isn't with unions in themselves, and many workers around the world rely on demand from all over the country. Alternatively, they could set up a hub in Paris and fly everyone in from New York. From there, they could have partners operate smaller planes to other European cities and save everyone a lot of time and effort in the process. Have a look at these Pan Am route maps from the 1950s and 1970s respectively. As you can see, there was a massive change.
Really?
Okay.
You had his hazards on those, so why'd you put your hazards on if you're changing lanes? That's not what flashing the hazards means. Put on your signal, not your hazards.
Yay, garbage truck. I think they need to get to you next.
It's my turn. Almost stole my right of way.
Breaking second, but it's down at 5th in pacing, more than 5 feet per second behind Batman. This is no big shock. Even though it's a big RMC, that last lap runs pretty slow. It has some pretty high bank turns in the first half, but once it gets lower to the ground, it doesn't have a whole lot left, so it's gonna knock down its pacing. In second place with 71 seconds is Titan, a Giovanola Hyper. When it comes to coasters, Titan dominates the sky.
Let's not park there. It's not really the best place to park. Parked pretty close to that no parking sign.